Welcome to this tutorial, where we will guide you through conducting a direct sun hours analysis on the concept model created here. Start by clicking on the Sustainability tab. By default, the sun hours will be the active analysis. You can choose from the different analysis options from this drop-down. Let's start with the sun hours analysis. This analysis allows you to examine the total hours of direct sunlight received by different areas of your building concept. This valuable information can help optimize building orientation, identify locations for outdoor spaces, and reduce energy consumption through natural lighting and heating. Before beginning any analysis, you need to import the TopoSolid. If you've already imported TopoSolid, you can begin your analysis. If not, you can import TopoSolid from here. Then enter the latitude and longitude, or directly enter your site location. You'll then be redirected to the entered location. Use pan and zoom to locate site area further. Finally, click on Load TopoSolid to import it to the project. After it is added, you can move and adjust it as needed. To start the analysis, select the start and end date from the drop-down. After selecting the dates, hit Run Analysis. Upon completion, you'll see a heat map of the sun hours on your model. You can compare this heat map to the legend provided below, showing you areas on your project with the most to least sun impact throughout the day. This analysis allows you to make informed changes to your concept model, rework the design, and choose appropriate exterior materials. Note that the analysis results depend on the imported TopoSolid, as it determines the location used for the analysis.